It's official, our loft renovation has begun, and this is part one of God knows probably 457 parts of the major process we're about to go through. Our house came with this incredible original loft room and Victorian staircase leading up to it, and when we viewed the house we just saw size and potential. It's literally the size of some flats I've lived in, but with that comes the task of actually renovating it, so here we fucking go, lads. But it's not just the room that needs renovating, we also need to take off the whole roof and have that rebuilt first. Woohoo! The first steps are all so boring, lots of measuring, floor cladding, paperwork, blah blah blah. As new steel supports will be put in for the new roof, we have to issue party wall notices to our neighbours who have been brilliant and hopped on board with our plans. We've also had to get a structural engineer to calculate the size of those beams and the rafters, insulation, new dormer dimensions. This one is going in the bin, obviously, and all the technical stuff that I honestly do not understand. I'm just baby. But I am that girl who's always 500 steps ahead, so of course I've already planned the decor and layout of this master bedroom and ensuite we don't actually have yet. It's giving woman in her 30s who has no one to please but herself. Colour, wiggly stuff, smiley faces, the usual. And it's all happening a lot sooner than you think. In less than a month this roof will be off, so we've got a lot of work to do. Come back for part two when we're getting stuck into the mess.